From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone here with a look at your midday forecast. Right now, outside Beaver Stadium, we see big raindrops on our Skycam, which is indicative of the rainy conditions that are moving in throughout the rest of the day today, associated with an approaching low pressure system. So really just unsettled conditions expected, and that'll be the theme throughout the rest of your Thursday. As we look at our current temperatures in State College, 46 degrees, so very warm out there right now, well above average. And we can see our dew point also at 46, which is signaling those moist conditions out there, driving our precipitation. In terms of our temperatures right now across the local region, we see those upper 40s across many areas. But as you work into the southeastern areas of the state, look at that, a temperature of 60 degrees down in Harrisburg. That's well above average for this time of year, and we see that moist southerly flow, which are driving these current conditions. As we zoom out across the rest of the Commonwealth, we see generally cooler skies, cooler conditions across the northwestern tier. But as we work towards the southeast, look at that temperature down in Philadelphia, 63 degrees. This is well above average, close to 20 degrees above average in certain spots at the moment, and as we work throughout the rest of our Thursday. You can even see the temperature change here from just yesterday, which was a pretty warm day in itself. But in some locations in the eastern areas of the state and even into the central areas of Pennsylvania, you're seeing temperatures 22 degrees above what we saw for the day on Wednesday. Right now, we can look at our current radar, which is showing us this big shield of precipitation moving into the western and central regions of the state and beginning even to work into the northeastern corner of the state. This is our main theme throughout the day today. It's going to be a very wet and unsettled day as you work outside for your Thursday. And we can even zoom this out here to go to our region-wide view. You can see the center of our low-pressure area down there across the Ohio Valley. And this is working to the northeast now. You can see some wintry precipitation that'll also work to the northeast. And we can now time this out for you here. You see this precipitation move throughout the rest of the day and into tonight. You see that moist southerly flow, which is driving these warm temperatures, very warm with 50s and 60s being modeled across the board. And you also see very heavy precipitation and some heavier echoes out to the west. And we can advance this forward. Things will taper off as we head into tonight. This is tonight at 2:30 a.m., but you still see some heavy downpours in some areas at this time, and even some snow showers up towards Erie, or some mix possible with a little bit of icing as these temperatures crash on the backside of the system. You see 22 up in Erie, but down in Philadelphia, we're currently looking at 63 at this time tonight. So a very big temperature gradient expected to set up across the Commonwealth. And then finally, advancing this forward one more, we see those northwesterly winds take over and drive cool conditions throughout the entirety of Pennsylvania by the day tomorrow, with temperatures finally crashing down into the 30s in Philadelphia. After the system moves out of the way, we will then see clear skies, but a little bit of a clipper system could move into the area on Saturday. And this could bring some snow showers, mainly to the western areas of Pennsylvania. But even though these are mainly expected to die down over the Allegheny front, we could see some flurries reach their way into the central and even the eastern portions of the state later in the day on Saturday. And as you advance this forward just a bit more here, we see those skies clear out on Sunday with some southerly winds coming in, so temperatures will begin to rebound as we head into the later half of the weekend. Finally, let's take a look at those rainfall accumulations from this system expected today and into tomorrow. Very heavy amounts mild, and the heaviest amounts mild over northwestern Pennsylvania, with lighter amounts over the southeastern regions of the state, but still pretty heavy. But across the board, close to an inch could be possible across Pennsylvania. Finally, let's head into our current expected conditions today in State College. 58 degrees, so very warm conditions as a high today, and also rainy with close to an inch of precipitation possible in the State College area. Also be on the lookout for those wind gusts potentially getting up to around 30 miles per hour today. And as we head into tonight, temperatures crash, getting down to around 30. The rain begins to taper off, but be on the lookout for a little bit of mix or snow showers possible on the backside if precipitation is able to hold on long enough. And also those gusts remaining windy at around 40 miles an hour. Finally, for your day tomorrow, 32 degrees, temperatures not really getting above the freezing mark, so a big difference from the day today. Also, clearing skies, and as we head into the day tomorrow, we can still expect gusty winds as we work out of the influence of that low pressure area. Finally, here's your 7-day forecast for State College. We see on Thursday that rainy system moving out, and then on Friday, we see the conditions clear out and temperatures crash. And as we work into the weekend, a spot snow shower possible on Saturday with those cooler conditions only around 34 as a high there. And then temperatures begin to rebound as we work into Sunday in the rest of the week. Look at that 56 on Monday. That'll be a very nice day with plenty of sunshine. And as we work into Tuesday and Wednesday, we can see some rain return in advance of our next low pressure area. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a wonderful day.